Hello everyone, welcome to how to install a graphics card. Now if you didn't see in the last video on how to install RAM on this channel of PC Tech today, well I'm going to be showing you how to install a GPU instead. So first, get your GPU. Simply clip it in by removing any wires. Installing with the graphics card. Now you want to be careful with these pins because these are very sharp and delicate pins for the computer. Now, when you're putting this on the motherboard, you have to be careful not to cause problems down the line. Now, the display drivers, my driver is automatically installed for this. So let me just, yep. Let's try that again. Sorry about that for the delay. Just I'm putting this graphics card back in again because of the way doing this. Surprisingly, it shouldn't be too hard to do. When you install the graphics card, hold on, let me just put this. So how do you install the graphics card? Get the two screws that came with the graphics card. Well, if there's two screws that came with the GPU or it just came with the computer, then install those two screws. Now how do you do this? Now, I'll show you right here, right now. In fact, as you can see, my computer's right here, so I've just clicked in the graphics card. To install this, you have to be very careful when installing. You don't want to install it the wrong way, because it's going to cause problems down the line. I've installed it again. This is because I removed the graphics card, and it's very simple. Although I didn't really help mostly with this computer, I did install the graphics card. Now you want to make sure it's tight in with this computer. Once the GPU is back in, get the PCIe plug and clip it in. Just like that. That is how you insert a GPU inside your computer. But you don't want to break this PCIe. Or if you want to remove a graphics card, you simply take this off and you do the whole process again, but we're putting in a graphics card. Once that's clipped in, go on your computer, put the case back in, boot it up and see if the graphics card drivers are not. If the graphics card drivers are not installed, install them, go put whatever make, whatever model, and then you download the drivers. For this is a 750 Ti, yeah, but I'm upgrading it to an AMD Radeon RX 590 in the summer of 2019 because this is old, obviously. Yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. But yeah, this is. But when you want to install a graphics card, there's certain things. One, you have to discharge yourself, so you don't damage the motherboard, or you don't zap any of the components because that can be super dangerous. Well, not super dangerous, but dangerous. Sorry, I'm just cleaning out my computer. So yeah, that's another thing when building PCs, is you have to be careful with the GPU. But yeah, in the next video we're going to be showing you how to uninstall a graphics card. So yeah, this is going to be it for this video. But also, if you want to buy a new graphics card and you don't know how to remove the old one, please subscribe and like to sorry about that. Please subscribe and like to to PC Tech Today and more other tutorials about computers. Subscribe and like.